everybody, it's Liliana Rowena, and today I'm going to do a Kawaii room tour. So I apologize for missing an upload day today. I'm making up for it by doing 2 uploads today. I'm doing my final one of my pre-recorded stuff, and then we're going to start into me being recording at school. So here we go. I'm so proud of how my dorm room looks. It's kind of like soft and sweet, but like, you'll see. So here's what it looks like from the outside, and in we go. We first walk into my room. This is what you see. It's not fully picked up all the way, so I'm just gonna avoid the floor. I made this pink glitter wall, which I love. I need to finish it though. I need to get a few more like panels, and then I'll have like a glittery pink accent wall. Here's my bedding and my plushies. Here's my desk, which I got all set up. There's my bracelet and ring I took off for typing earlier. A little teacup I was drinking water out of. My friends made this. My friend Sarah made this for me. They're so cute. I put one of my pearl bracelets on that bunny. I was looking for it this morning. Now I know where it went. Here is my calendar. My pink diamond poster. My grandmother gave me really cute little decorations for Christmas. I love that one. My altar area is a mess right now. I'll get it cleaned up. I kind of kicked it in my sleep. And then here is my hobby corner. So I've got weights and yoga mat and everything over there. It's a dorm room. It's not too many things in here for you to look at. Ooh. And then also I finally organized my closet. The top shelf still leaves more to be desired, but I have an organized closet now. Today was just a quick video because I've got a lot of schoolwork to do and get everything ready, but I hope you enjoyed this very short little Kawaii dorm room tour. I hope it gives you some ideas for what you can do with yours. I hope you all have a lovely day. Liliana Rowena, out.